It's December, the holidays are around the corner, and you already know it. I have Nürburgring license merged for you with additional 10% off if you use code Misha Xmas25 on checkout on Nürburgring.com. From holiday sweaters with Nürburgring design in merino wool in different colors, Nürburgring books that I have helped to co-write, socks, and also, as of recent, we have calendars for 2026. The first couple of hundred of them come signed by me, and some of them contain also very interesting and exclusive giveaway items, such a taxi lab with, not with this car, but another one that we will be unveiling soon for next year, and maybe the Civic, maybe the Mustang, who knows, and a couple of other things. Anyway, head over to Nürburgring.com and now enjoy the rest of the video. E36. We've done some of them, but every time it's a joy to drive one, and especially one that belongs to Norwegian kind of people. M3. Yes. So the S50, yeah, S50 engine, so 3 liter. Correct. Yeah, another 3.2, but who cares? 280 something plus minus horsepower, and a couple of mods here and there. Everything polybushed, you told me. Yeah. 8 series brake caliper, right? 850 calipers,
Brembo 4-pot with the E36 M3 discs.
Yeah, what pads are we running? Nice, we love those. We have some sort of a splitter that may or may not do something, but it runs all the way to the back. You told me to the sway bars.
Yeah, to the sway bars.
So yeah, it should be. So it should be good. And for the rest, well, camber. We can see lots of camber on the back and on the front. So what suspension is it?
Super Sport.
Yeah, yeah. And any other significant mods we can mention?
Quite rear differential.
Very good.
Shifter system from garage to stick.
Yeah, so short shifter, or like the better shifter.
Steering wheel.
Steering wheel. Oh yeah, that's always lovely with the one that's extra close to you, with the bucket seats. And is there anything else I wanted to say? No, I think it's mostly, the tires. We are on
Goodyear Eagle F1s.
Okay, all right.
Done 8 laps.
Nice.
So they're fresh.
Very good, very good. I guess let's go do a lap.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's go do a lap.
Ready for a lap?
Yes. We do not have TC that we need to switch off. Okay,
nothing.
So
you have ABS and that's it.
I'm happy about that part. All right. We're joined by your brother in the back seat.
Yes.
So
Julio.
Yeah. Iglesias.
He doesn't sing that well, but
okay. At least he looks okay.
How do you know?
I heard you in the shower.
No. You were looking, you were not listening.
And a soft suspension that makes the back dance around quite a lot.
That's fun. Oh, Julio, sit still.
My left arm is gonna be sore after this.
Sounds like a you problem.
I don't mind.
As long as it's because you're holding yourself back, not because you're doing some weird movements between your legs with your arm.
You said it yourself, I need the workout. I think I enjoy this a lot more than Christopher does.
I enjoy it. It just doesn't look that way.
Yeah, that's good. Happy to hear. Upshift. everyone watching BMW M2 behind us is a friend of ours, Kim, that's following us. I'm sure he does not want to overtake, otherwise he would have done it. We're just enjoying a lap, so it's not that I don't let him through. He has all the horsepower in the world if he wanted to on the straights, so I guess we're just having a nice cruising lap together.
He's enjoying it.
Not as much as you do.
The what, sorry? Ah. It's just like, you know, it's linear, so if it goes in a drift, it does it in a continuous rate, so you can actually really like counterbalance it.
Because the original the rear diff kind of squirms a bit in the start of the skid, but this one doesn't.
Yeah, I loved it. Overall works. The tires are a bit slidey. I mean, you could use a grippier tire, but to be fair, I think this was more fun. When the back end a bit slides, you can just like let it rotate nicely. It's fine. You just need to be ready for it, and the diff really does wonders because you can have a controllable slide, and that's very, very, very nice.
And I use this car for everything, so tires are compromise.
Yeah, especially because it's going to be raining later today, so it kind of also makes sense to have something that works in all the weathers.
We did some laps earlier this week in the rain and on the GP track in the wet, and it wouldn't have been such fun with a
of course,
tour or anything more grippier. Yeah,
but this works. It was nice. Very cool. Hope it wasn't too bad for you.
I enjoyed it. My face may say otherwise, but it was good fun. Yeah.
Good. Happy to hear.